there, I'm Bree, an area sales manager with DR Horton Wilmington, and I have some amazing news for you. We're officially releasing move-in ready inventory at our fastest selling neighborhood, SeaBrooke. The towns at SeaBrooke will offer two main floor plans, the Norman, which is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome, and the Pearson, which is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome. The community of SeaBrooke has amenities right on site, so if you purchase in the towns at SeaBrooke, you'll have access to an amenity pavilion, a pool, a playground, and even a sand volleyball court. On top of that, Leland is one of the fastest growing cities on the East Coast. Breweries, restaurants, and stores are popping up everywhere, so you can make sure that you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Call us today to schedule a tour and take advantage of below market interest rates and great incentives towards closing costs. I would love to see you make this townhouse a townhome.